April 5, 6:30. So they're going to install the arrestor finally. They had to cut the high tension voltage. So they're going to disconnect the fuse. Hard to see. Start now. So they're removing the high tension wire to the fuse. It's called the hotline clamp. Okay.
For primary.
For primary.
Tingnan na, yung side mo. Open shot pa nata. Source na. Side natin. Oh, pariwang mga tanong side na eh. Sino eh? Pantaw. Oh. Makamatin na katarister. Video nga ata kami eh. B7 yata. B7. Para dyan ha? Hindi ka mabin kami din tanta pang refrain kita ma. Pare kontra MJ likod ka? Okay na kasano ngayon siya.
So they installed the wire tabs and the arrestor from last night. It took them about an hour to do this, and by the time they were done it was dark, hard to see what's going on. So really happy though that the arrestor is installed. I don't know how long that thing will last. I guess I'll find out. Maybe 15 years, but then it depends on the lightning activities. It could last a year, it could last 15 years or 20 years. So we don't know. Time will tell.